Aloha and welcome to my channel on this late Aloha Sunday evening. The sun is setting, so I just want to get this video out to all my good looking subscribers. I'd like to welcome my new subscribers and thank you for all my continued subscribers, my money notification squad who's always quick on the trigger for supporting your boy and getting them comment suggestions below. If you want to stay up on this content that I'm bringing you and see the things that I'm doing, hit that notification bell. Hopefully those who wanted to get their cost this week, this wings, I didn't want to get up here. Sneakers out, they be killing us here on the island. We got to get up at 4 o'clock in the morning, and sometimes sleep is more important than other things. I'm still on the family. I want to get up early, try to camp out for those court purple. As you can see, I camped out for those LeBron. And ain't as no spring chicken no more, so your boy Double gotta kind of weigh your options for us. Camping out, too much shenanigans going on when you camp out. But today, all in all, was a pretty good day, pretty good weekend. College team won, Raiders won, Raider Nation stand up. The only blip today was the Lakers. First preseason game, not too bad. Pretty much what I anticipated from them. Still gonna be a work in progress, but nonetheless, I'm hyped for the season. So if you're a sports fan, this is the perfect time of the year. Whether you like baseball on a team, that's the only time I watch baseball, when they get ready to be the pennant race. See what the Braves do with their young squad, because in the past they always get there and get knocked out in the first round. So we'll see. Like I said, so you like sports in general, you got baseball, basketball, and football going on. So a lot of stuff on the tube to keep us busy. Now, without further ado, let's jump into this review. As you can see, it's a Nike box, all black. Check it out. Something a little bit different. Air Max Plus 97. A little bit different than your traditional Air Max box. I went half size up on this one. Feels pretty good. Fisher colorway, white, tour, yellow, black. 170 of those things. So as you see, look, I mean, you got this piece here. I don't know if a lot of people like this or hate it. You got your little hole, and then you got a slide box. If I can get it out of there. Slide it out like that. Hold on. All right, I'm back. Little technical difficulties. Black and yellow, right? Great for you guys who Steeler fans and things of that nature. I guess things are repeating itself, as you can see. They got the 95, 97, and I forgot which other one. It's one other Air Max. I think this is the dopest one out of the line. You can see on the bottom, got your black and yellow hits. 10 Air. You ain't got your traditional, like I said, you got your plus unit, not your traditional 97 unit. You got your nice, I don't know, this leather pleather on the toe box here. And then you got your patent leather hit around here, which I think is dope. Patent leather white, patent leather black. Then you got your nylon here with your black hits coming up. And then you got your black and yellow laces here. You got patent leather on the tongue with the black. Then you got your stitched yellow swoosh and your pull tab. You got some additional laces with the black tips. So you leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know which laces would you rock in these shoes. Coming around on the side, you got your stitched yellow check, black nylon, a little dirty there, but inside you can also see you got your yellow Air unit with your yellow hits there. Coming around on the back side, you got yellow, you can see it in there real good. You're like a pill, this is a see-through pull tab on the way, almost like a Velcro type material, very interesting. Coming around on the medial side, see you got some more of that. You got regular black, and then you got your patent leather black right there on the side. And pretty much it's just all the way around black and yellow, black and yellow. Inside here, it got Just Do It on a tape. Some people might not even know what tapes are, but that is interesting nonetheless. I don't know, too many people probably have tapes. And then under the tongue, 10.5. Date 5/2/18, 7/4/18. So all in all, a very, very dope shoe. Actually add a little bit of height. Kind of felt pretty tall with this shoe. Very nice and comfortable shoe for people who want to walk around. A lot of people on your feet. I think you will be very happy with this shoe. On a lit meter, I mean, it's a pretty dope shoe. Can't go wrong with black and yellow. I give it a 4.5 out of 5. 4.5 out of 5. Let me know what you guys think below. How would you rate this on a scale of 1 to 5? And is this a cop or a no-look pass? Thank you for supporting your boy. We moving to that 1K. I think we need about 6 more subscribers, and then I'll be working on getting ready to do that giveaway to show my support for everybody who rocking with me and supporting your boy. So have a blessed day. It's your boy E Double, and I'm out. Deuces.